Mail merge in label generator.
What is mail merge?
Mail merge. A feature in Microsoft Word for creating personalized bulk documents. Combines a standard template, letter, certificate, invitation, with a data source, names, addresses, details. Commonly used in schools, offices, and businesses. Saves time and ensures accuracy.
What is label generator?
Label generator. A tool for designing and printing multiple labels. Used for address labels, product tags, name badges, barcodes, etc. Works with a data source to fill in information automatically. Useful for mailing, packaging, and organizing. Mail merge personalized documents. Label generator multiple labels. Both improve efficiency, accuracy, and productivity. The importance of mail merge and label generator.
The importance of mail merge.
Mail merge. Efficiency, creates bulk personalized documents quickly. Accuracy, minimizes errors by using automated data insertion. Professional output, ensures consistent format and style. Practical uses, letters, certificates, invitations, notices.
The importance of label generator.
Label generator. Time saving, prints multiple labels at once. Organization, helps in systematic labeling, files, products, addresses. Versatility, useful for name tags, barcodes, packaging, and mailing. Convenience, automatically arranges information in label format. Overall importance. Both tools increase productivity. They help produce accurate, consistent, and professional results. Widely used in schools, offices, and businesses for communication and organization.
Step-by-step process of mail merge and label generator. So first, we should choose a blank document first in Microsoft Word. Then, after that, we will go to mailings. So after we get into mailings, press the Start Mail Merge and tap Letters. After tapping Letters, we should tap next the Select Recipients and type a new list. So under the Type New List, you can enter the information of your recipients with all the information needed over there. And you can also add new entries if you have a lot of recipients. So yes, you can add more recipients. But since we already have a list or a recipient list, let's cancel that and tap Select Recipients again. Then choose Use an Existing List. So we should find our document or an Excel. We can also use Excel under Mail Merge. So we'll tap My Excel and open it. So under that Excel, I already have a list, a recipient list. So press OK. Next, let's start the step-by-step mail merge wizard. So the select recipient, they should tap the use an existing list. Then under that, there's an edit recipient list. So it depends on you on what you edit. Well, for me, we will sort it by ascending or descending order. So first, let's sort by the full name first, or the address. But for me, I will start or sort by full name first. Next is by address, and lastly by number. So all of it are in ascending order. After that, press OK. So there's a lot of things you can edit, but we just used the sort. Okay, press OK after editing. Next is write your letter. Press the write your letter. Then there's a lot of things you can do over there, but let's choose the more items because we already have our list. So under the more items, we have the full name, address, and mobile number that we entered earlier. But since this is a letter, we just use the full name and address. So after inserting full name and address, let's press OK. And before going again, let's arrange it correctly. Okay, so while arranging it, we can also use a greeting line. Since this is a letter, we're sending a letter. So let's use a greeting line. So over there, a dialog box will appear after you press the greeting line, and then there's a lot of things you can choose the greeting format. So we have dear, and how will we address the person that you're sending the letter. So we chose Mr. Randall, and a lot of things you can do for the greeting format dialog box. So after choosing, press OK. So after pressing OK, we should write next our letter. So for this, we just wrote a very short one, but it took us a while because my Microsoft Word is not functioning well. But for this, we just wrote that I want to invite you to my party tomorrow. I'm looking forward for your appearance. So for using the mail merge, it is very accessible and time-saving if you're sending a lot of letters to everyone with just the same content. So that's why I advise we should use mail merge. Okay, so after we chose the letter, or after we wrote the letter, we should next preview our letters. So when we preview our letters, we will see all the information, the greeting line, the name, the address, and we can edit it for some reasons or what reasons. So you can also change the recipients. Yes, for all you have the list, so you can change which recipient so that it will be more accessible and time-saving rather than typing it all. So after previewing your letter, you should press the complete the merge and then finish and merge, so you can edit individual documents, print document, or send email messages. So that's it, the step-by-step of mail merge. For the label generator, of course, we'll open a blank Word page and then go to mailings and then select labels. So after selecting labels, you should press the options and it will show you the label options. So what kind of tray are you using? So we use the default tray. Next is label vendor, so we chose the Microsoft, and then product number, which we chose the 30 per page. So there's two, we chose the last 30 page. So press OK, then next tap the new document. So after tapping the new document, a grid will show. So that's the format of our labels. So let's press mailings again and select recipients. So we could enter a new list or type a new list and add some new entry if you have a lot of list or recipients. But since again we have an existing list, so we'll cancel that. So you can add a lot more entries if you have a lot more recipients. So for this, I will show you my existing list, a spreadsheet. So we already have an existing list, so that's what we'll use for our labels. So let's go back to Microsoft Word again, and then select recipients. after that, use an existing list. So I saved it on desktop and I entitled it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's press that and tap open and press OK. So after that, let's start the step-by-step mail merge wizard. But we should just check it or again and tap the labels, clarify some informations and press OK. So after that, let's officially start the step-by-step mail merge wizard. So again, for the select recipients, use an existing list is already there, and then we can edit
1201.
the recipient list. So it depends what kind of editing you will use, but yes, there's a lot of things you can edit. But for us, let's just show use the sort. So we'll sort it from ascending order to descending order. Let's start with the full name, next with the address, and lastly with the mobile number. After editing, I'll press OK and also select OK. Next, tap. Also, it will show a new record. So just leave it at that. Next is arrange your labels. So you will arrange the format or the structure, the layout of your labels. So again, you can choose a lot of things, but let's just use the more items since we already have our list. So let's arrange them by full name. Next is by address. And lastly by mobile number. So after pressing each one, you should press insert so that it will appear to your grid or table. So after inserting all, we should press close. So before we proceed, let's arrange them first, like full name followed by the address and lastly the number. So after that, there's replicate the labels or update all labels so that it will automatically update all your labels. We will not do it separately. So after pressing update all labels, press the preview your labels and it will show you the arrangement of all your recipients from your recipient lists. So by pressing the update your labels, it will just automatically update or include all your recipients. So you can also change the recipient by these preview labels. So that's how the step-by-step of how to make a label generator. It's very easy and accessible. So after that, press the complete your merge and then finish and merge so you can edit individual documents, print documents, or send email messages. So that's all.